GinTech has a wide range of small workshop machinery that most workshops should have, such as end mill re-sharpeners, drill re-sharpeners, general purpose grinders and cutters, and many other essential workshop machines. The 6600 series end mill re-sharpeners can resharpen end mills from 4 to 13 millimeters in size. It's small in size, lightweight and portable, and can be carried to wherever it is needed.
This re-sharpener makes it easier for even unskilled operators to resharpen end mills and maintain the cutting efficiency of your workshop machinery. Drills are the most common cutting tool in any workshop, and you need to be able to quickly and effectively resharpen them on site.
You will need the 6602 series of high-speed drill re-sharpeners to keep your production running smoothly. The 6602 series is suitable for the grinding of high-speed steel drill and tungsten carbide drills. It's also able to resharpen drills from 2 mm to 13 mm in diameter.
GinTech also provides a larger model, the 6602-2, that can handle larger diameter drills from 12 to 26 millimeters.
GinTech also has the 6603 universal grinding cutter and the 6608 precision cutting and milling machine, both of which are suitable for cutting a wide range of round bar stock.
Additionally, we have the 6620-01 chamfering machine, which is perfect for edge deburring, beveling, and chamfering of workpieces.
GinTech's range of small workshop machines provide you with all the machining support you need for your production operation. So let's take a look now at some of the other small workshop machines in this series.